This is the Veer Gatha project in the honor of our brave hearts, done by Amrit Arun Kumar, Classic, Guardian Public School, Palakkad, Kerala, on the topic What Manoj Kumar Pandey and Vikram Batra motivates me to do. So what is Gallantry Award? Gallantry Awards are the awards established by the Government of India to honor the acts of bravery, courage and sacrifice by the officers and personnel of the Indian Armed Forces. These awards are distributed twice in a year on Republic Day and Independence Day. There are two categories of Gallantry Award. The first category is Gallantry in the Face of Enemy or Wartime Gallantry Award, and the second category is Gallantry Other than the Face of Enemy or Peacetime Gallantry Award. Gallantry in the Face of Enemy consists of Param Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, whereas Gallantry Other than the Face of Enemy consists of Ashoka Chakra, Shaurya Chakra and Kirti Chakra. Both Manoj Kumar Pandey and Vikram Batra won the Param Veer Chakra, which is India's highest military decoration. But how are they awarded with the Param Veer Chakra? For this, we have to go back to exactly 2nd May 1999, when a group of armed infiltrators was spotted by Tashi Namgyal, a small local yak shepherd. He spotted them using his binoculars. He got suspicious that these men might be from the other side of the LOC. So he decided to inform the nearest Indian Army post. When our Indian Army checked, they were shocked. What Tashi Namgyal said was correct. Various regular and irregular Pakistani troops have intruded into our territory, and these intrusions were well planned by the Pakistani army. Slowly, a war ensued between India and Pakistan. But our Indian Army will never give up. They fought fiercely and chased back the intruders. Various young men fought bravely and sacrificed their lives for the defense of our homeland. Now I'm going to talk about two such brave heroes. They personally inspired me to join the Indian defense sector. As you all know, inspiration is a very strong force. So I think when I explain their biography, you will also get inspired by it. So firstly, let's start with the short biography of Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey was born on 25th June 1975 in Sitapur, UP. His father is Sri Gopichand Pandey and his mother is Srimati Mohini Pandey. Manoj Kumar Pandey was the eldest child in his family. He studied in Sainik School, Lucknow and Rani Lakshmi Bai School. He had great interests in sports, boxing and bodybuilding and wanted to join the Indian Army. True to his words, he graduated in the 90th course from the National Defence Academy. He then got commissioned into the 1st Battalion, 11th Gorkha Rifles. Once, during his SSB interview, he was asked that why do you want to join the Indian Army? Manoj Kumar Pandey replied that I want to win the Param Veer Chakra, and true to his words, he won it. Now let me explain Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey's heroic Kargil wartime story. After commissioning, his first assignment was in the Kashmir Valley and thereafter he was posted to Siachen. While in Siachen, he received orders to move to the Batalik sector where the first intrusions by the Pakistani forces were detected. The army was preparing for a well-coordinated retaliatory attack. The battle at Juba Top, Kalubar Hill in the Batalik sector. On the night of 2nd to 3rd July 1999, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey along with his troops marched off for the Palwan Chowki located at a height of 19,700 feet on his way to Kalubar. As the assault team moved ahead, it faced heavy and intense enemy fire from both sides of the hillock. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey quickly moved his platoon to an advantageous position under intense enemy fire, sent one section to clear the enemy position from the right, and he himself proceeded to clear the enemy position from the left. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey fearlessly charged ahead with a booming battle cry, Jai Mahakali, Ayo Gorkali, clearing two enemy bunkers. While clearing the third bunker, a barrage of bullets hit in his shoulder and legs. Undaunted and without caring for his grievous injuries, he continued to lead the assault to the fourth bunker and destroyed the same with a grenade, but he hit his target but hit himself in the forehead with his bullet. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey unfortunately later succumbed to his injuries and was martyred at the age of 24. Manoj Kumar Pandey's final words were, Na chodno. I would like to end his heroic biography with his famous quote, "If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I'll kill death." Secondly, this is Captain Vikram Batra's short biography, and I guarantee you guys that you will get a true sense of patriotism. Captain Vikram Batra was born on 9th September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. Captain Vikram Batra also have a twin brother, Vishal Batra. Their nickname is Love and Kush. Vikram Batra also have two sisters and is the third child in their family. His father is D.L. Batra or Giridhari Lal Batra and his mother is Kamal Kanta Batra. Vikram Batra went to DAV School and Palampur Central School. He went to DAV College and is a graduate in BSc Science. Vikram Batra was very patriotic towards our nation. He was an all-rounder in studies as well as sports. He wanted to join the Indian Army. So when one day he got an offer from a shipping company headquartered in Hong Kong to join the Merchant Navy, Batra decided to decline the offer. Instead, he enrolled in MA English course at Punjab University so that he could prepare for the Combined Defence Services CDS examination. So, how was Vikram Batra's military career? In 1996, his dream was fulfilled when he cleared the CDS examination and joined the Indian Military Academy, where he was commissioned as a lieutenant. Captain Vikram Batra was selected to join the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, in the Jeshore Company of Manekshwa Battalion in 1996 and was commissioned into the 13th JAK Rifles. He was later promoted to the rank of captain during the Kargil War of 1999. So what were Vikram Batra's Kargil wartime efforts? During Operation Vijay, after the successful capturing of the strategic point 5140, Vikram Batra and his battalion was tasked to capture point 4875, the strategically important peak located in the Mushko Valley. On 28 June 1999, Vikram Batra sent his victory signal via a radio message, in which he said his favorite slogan. The message said, "Chanakya, it's Shesha reporting. We have captured the post. Ye dil mange more." On the night of 6th July 1999, Vikram Batra and his men began a difficult climb to strengthen the flanks of Indian troops fighting the invaders at 16,000 feet. The condition was extremely tough. At a gradient of 80 degrees with thick fog, the advance became more precarious. The final showdown have begun. In a rare show of extraordinary courage during the exchange of fire, Captain Vikram Batra and Anuj Nair fought the enemy's counter-attack ferociously. They cleared the enemy's bunkers, edged their men forward, engaged in a hand-to-hand combat and forced the Pakistani to retreat. Vikram Batra alone single-handedly killed 5 Pakistani troops. The mission was almost over when Vikram Batra ran out of bunkers to rescue another junior officer whose legs got injured in an explosion. He lunged forward to save the young lieutenant, but a bullet pierced through his chest and unfortunately he succumbed to his injuries. India won back point 4875 but lost one of the bravest Indian soldiers. What Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey and Captain Vikram Batra motivates me? Both Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey and Vikram Batra motivates me to join the Indian defence sector. Both are Gallantry Award winners, winning the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration. Manoj Kumar Pandey and Vikram Batra were always fearless and were ready to sacrifice their lives whenever needed for the defense of our homeland. Both were very patriotic and from the beginning itself they wanted to join the Indian Army. After reading their biography, I got inspired to join the Indian Defence Force. Because every minute I read their biography, I get a true boost of patriotism. Here, most importantly, they taught me that being the part of an Indian Armed Forces is a great pleasure and everyone wants to be a part of this amazing journey. When you know about Captain Vikram Batra and Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, you also know that they were very determined, very positive and will always move forward. With these words, I would like to say that set a goal, be determined and always be positive so that you can achieve your goal and no one can stop you from achieving it. This is an important life lesson that I learned from Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey and Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra and Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey motivates me to join the Indian defense sector. I will work hard to join the Indian defense sector and protect my motherland. But that's in the future. Now I would like to pay a small tribute to every Indian armed forces who are voluntarily dedicating their lives for the protection of our motherland. I would like to conclude this video by saying that a life of a soldier is filled with honesty, passion, dedication, and a steady sense of duty. They are voluntarily dedicating their lives for the protection of our homeland so that every citizen in our country stays safe without the fear of getting invaded. I thereby salute to all the soldiers who sacrifice their lives for the protection of our motherland. Jai Hind!